Aerosat presents this Airbus helicopter's EC135T2, serial number 0244. With over 1,300 aircraft in operation, the EC135 from Airbus Helicopters remains top of its class. Since it first delivered, the EC135 has logged over 4.5 million flight hours. It is known for its compact build, reliable systems, large cabin volume, and low acoustic and carbon footprint. Powered by Safran's Arias 2B2 engines, the EC135 is the go-to aircraft for more than 300 civil and parapublic operators worldwide. Serial number 0244 is equipped with a VFR-certified cockpit, which includes a Vehicle and Engine Multifunction Display, or VEMD, enabling the pilot to see at a glance the main vehicle and engine parameters on a dual LCD screen. Operational safety is further enhanced by a Fenestron enclosed tail rotor. The Aerolite EMS interior accommodates one stretcher alongside one aft-facing and one forward-facing passenger seats. Serial number 0244 is maintained with diligence and care by an Airbus-approved service center. It is hangared in Albertville, France, a short drive from Geneva and Lyon international airports. Airbus Helicopters EC135T2, serial number 0244, presented by Aerosat.